to build a pencil. So here's an actual drawing, easy drawing of a pencil. And as you can see, it's broken down here. There is the two triangles right here, just different colors, your rectangle tool, another rectangle, and then we have half a circle, which this we would have to convert into half a circle. So all of your basic shapes are here, and you will have to recreate this pencil down here. And really, it's just a matter of filling in the colors. So it doesn't have to be these colors, but just so you can see, I can fill in the colors. Then I have to overlap them. And then here, I would just easily, I'm going to zoom in, take my white arrow. I'm going to delete this anchor point here and join this, Command J. And then we have, just going to use here, I'm just going to use this pink. But if I want it a little lighter than that, I can go into this area here and just kind of scroll and find another lighter portion of it. And if I zoom out, you can kind of see that it's starting to look like this pencil that we have here. Bring it over. Over, and this as well, bring it over. I might have to scale this down a bit because it's a little too big. So one thing I'm gonna just show you is that when you're scaling, you can kind of see that the triangle is a little bit big here. So I can kind of make it smaller to fit the pencil. So it's not sticking out, and same thing with this. So just make sure you keep it to scale. Now, another thing I want to show you is the stroke. The stroke, you might want to, if I go into stroke area, you can see there's a couple of different types of strokes. Now, this stroke, if you can see that the way it's aligned, it's right here, it says align center. You can align inside. So if I click on inside, this will bring the stroke in the inside or the outside. So I'll go inside, that might help a little bit more than what it currently is. So you can align it better with the pencil. And then the actual lines itself, these lines is your line tool. So that you can find right here. I'm going to click and drag, but make sure I can do this. But if I hold down the shift key, it'll keep it straight. So once I do one line, and let's say your stroke, make sure you check does my stroke say 1 point? If it says 0, then type in 1 in your stroke area. I'm going to take my selection tool, and I'm just going to make a copy holding down the Option on Mac or Alt on PC. And then I'm going to select them both, and then I can bring them down a little more. And that's how you can rebuild the pencil.